In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesflare to Slack. Salesflare doesn't include a one-click Slack integration inside the app, so the easiest way to connect the two is with an automation platform. We'll use Zapier, which requires no coding and is widely used. Zapier works by linking a trigger in one app to an action in another. In our case, a Salesflare event, like a new contact or a won deal, can automatically post a message to a Slack channel or send a direct message. If you prefer another tool, such as Zoho Flow, the overall idea is similar, but today we'll focus on Zapier. Start by heading to zapier.com and signing in. If you don't have an account yet, create one. The free plan is usually enough to get started. Once you're in, click Create a Zap. Think of a zap as a simple workflow. When this happens in Salesflare, do that in Slack. For the trigger, choose Salesflare as your app. Then pick the specific event that should kick things off, like new opportunity or new contact. Zapier will prompt you to connect your Salesflare account. Authenticate it so Zapier can securely read the data needed for your trigger. You'll usually be asked to test the trigger so Zapier can pull a sample record. This helps you preview what fields are available to use later. Next, set the action. Choose Slack as your action app, then select what you want to happen, such as Send Channel Message or Send Direct Message. Connect your Slack workspace and authorize Zapier to post on your behalf. After that, customize the message. This is where you map fields from Salesflare into Slack. For example, you might include the contact's name, the company, the deal title, or the value. Choose the channel or person who should receive the message, and write a clear, concise text so your team instantly understands what changed. Before turning it on, run a test. Zapier will send a sample message to Slack so you can confirm everything looks right. If the test lands in the correct channel with the details you expect, you're good to go. Give your Zap a clear name that reflects the event and destination, then switch it on. From now on, whenever that Salesflare event occurs, Zapier will automatically post in Slack. This setup helps your team stay aligned without manually copying updates. If you need more than one type of alert, create additional Zaps for each event and keep messages focused to avoid channel noise.